The unknown and terrifying world of Antarctica is filled with countless mysteries. Some have been solved, but many still remain beyond the grasp of science. What world exists beneath the thick layer of ice? And how does a 1 million-year-old ice cube found here allow us to time travel into Earth's past? Welcome once again to EuroTV's videos. Antarctica, also known as the world's bottom or the South Pole, has recorded ice sheet depths reaching up to 4.7 kilometers. This depth is so immense that 5 buildings the size of the Burj Khalifa could be stacked on top of each other. Within this ice, secrets millions of years old remain buried to this day. First, we will explore the life hidden beneath this ice. Number 7. In 2022, researchers using satellite imagery observed an unusual mark on the Lawson B ice shelf in Antarctica. They became suspicious when the crack-like mark was only visible in photos taken after 2021. Before that, no such mark existed there. To investigate this crack, they began drilling a hole using a hot water drill with a camera attached to its front. At a depth of around 500 meters, they had to stop the drill because the camera had recorded a stunning glimpse of a strange world hidden beneath Antarctica. A secret river was flowing beneath the ice shelf, passing through a cave filled with thousands to millions of amphipods. This type of amphipod closely resembled shrimp, which are commonly known as prawns. Due to the arrival of the drill, they appeared highly active. But the real question is, how did amphipods end up 500 meters deep inside a remote Antarctic ice shelf? And what do they eat to survive? Experts believe that in the ocean, shrimp typically feed on dead and decomposing plant matter. This means that at some point, there must have been plants in this secret Antarctic river, which these creatures have been feeding on to sustain their world. Number 6. The deepest known point in the ocean so far is the Challenger Deep. On the second rank is Brownson Deep. However, the third deepest point is found in Antarctica's Southern Ocean and is known as the Factorian Deep. It was discovered in 2019, and its depth was calculated to be 7,437 meters. Factorian Deep was detected near Antarctica using sonar scanning. This process involves equipping a ship with sonar scanning technology and sailing it across the icy waters of the Southern Sea. So far, the sonar scanning has taken 1,200 tests to create a map of the seafloor. However, researchers still haven't been able to determine how this deep point was formed and what connection it has with the surrounding seafloor. Number 5. In 2022, passengers on a cruise line passing through Antarctica spotted a massive jellyfish in the water. The cruise operator deployed a submersible, allowing passengers to witness the jellyfish up close underwater. This was an enormous jellyfish, approximately 33 feet in size, known as the giant phantom jellyfish. But the surprising part is that phantom jellyfish are usually found at depths of 3,500 feet in the ocean. But this jellyfish was spotted at the surface of Antarctica's ocean. Researchers are still not sure why such a massive jellyfish was in this region, and that too at the surface. Number 4. Amidst Antarctica's desolate, icy landscapes, researchers have discovered evidence of an ancient rainforest buried within the ice, estimated to be 90 million years old. This discovery serves as proof of a lost world that once existed in Antarctica. This fossilized forest was found beneath the ice-covered seafloor, containing tree roots, pollen, and plant remains. Radiocarbon dating has revealed that these remains belong to the Cretaceous period, a time when Earth's atmosphere had high carbon dioxide levels, resulting in a much warmer climate. These fossils depict an Antarctica that was once covered in lush green valleys and colorful fields. Additionally, the coal discovered in 1909 serves as further evidence that Antarctica's rainforests existed for millions of years before eventually transforming into fossil fuel. Number 3. Beneath Antarctica's barren ice, numerous meteorites have been discovered. These aren't just ordinary rocks, they serve as evidence of a vast universe. Some of these meteorites have been traced back to our neighboring planet, Mars. One of these meteorites, named ALH84001, is the oldest known rock from our solar system, dating back approximately 4.5 billion years. This meteorite made headlines in 1996 when scientists claimed that evidence of microfossils had been found in it. This meant that when the meteorite broke off from Mars and arrived here, life might have existed on Mars at that time. Due to these claims by scientists, efforts are being made today to search for life on Mars. This meteorite provided scientists with an opportunity to research Mars' atmosphere and its volcanic activity. It also contained certain minerals that are found only in water, proving that Mars once had a significant amount of water. Number 2. Many of us wonder how scientists can accurately determine Earth's past atmosphere. The secret lies within the ancient ice cubes preserved in Antarctica's ice. Here, the ice has not melted for not just thousands but millions of years. This means that the air bubbles trapped inside have preserved the atmosphere from that time until today. To access them, scientists drill deep ice cores and extract them. The deeper the core is extracted, the further back in time we can go. Each layer of ice contains air bubbles that have preserved the atmospheric conditions of each year. These are ancient air bubbles that have remained undisturbed for thousands to millions of years. Scientists, after studying various cases, have successfully repainted a glimpse of Earth's ancient climate by analyzing ice cores. This ice core, formed 1 million years ago, belongs to a time when Earth's climate cycle followed a 40,000-year pattern. Later, this cycle began shifting to a 100,000-year pattern, which continues to this day. These ice cores have made it much easier to predict Earth's future climate. For instance, they help determine the frequency of storms and floods over thousands of years and predict when they might occur next. All these predictions are made possible through the study of these ice cores. And now, number 1. In 1950, a massive mountain range was discovered beneath Antarctica's ice sheets, known as the Gomburtsev mountain range. Spanning 1,200 kilometers, its peaks rise as high as 3,000 meters. However, the surprising fact is that these mountains are quite different from others found around the world. Normally, mountains in this type of region should be very old, but their structure suggests they are not as ancient. Their existence, buried several kilometers beneath the ice, has puzzled scientists. This is because most mountains are formed due to tectonic plate movements, but Antarctica has no such significant movements. This means that these mountains may have risen due to the upwelling of magma beneath the Earth's surface. However, scientists have yet to find concrete evidence to support this theory. Hopefully, you all will like and share this EuroTV video as well. A heartfelt thank you for your love-filled comments. See you in the next amazing video.